Welcome to the class, gentlemen. We have been talking about being acceptable at the workplace. In the same topic, we have talked about importance of acceptability. We have talked about how good communication helps acceptability. We have talked about commercial awareness, working image, grooming, etiquette in the same context. Today we will talk about personal standards. What are personal standards? Personal standards are moral principles or values governing your own life. Personal standards help you adopt a code of conduct that goes beyond good, better, and the best. Establishing and living with high standards can prove to be tremendously liberating and life changing. It can help in making wise and informed choices. It can assist us to experience more peace, contentment, and prosperity today and throughout the years to come. Ask yourself, what are my standards for dealing with the problem? What are the boundaries for my behavior, attitude, and actions? What are the personal standards I'll accept from myself and others? What are the highest standards that I will expect to live myself and at all times in each important area of my life? Winners always set high standards for themselves dealing with the problems. They set the rules, what they will accept and expect from themselves and others. They realize that it would work to stay on the route of denial and it would work to lash out against unfair situation by resisting what is true. They have more workable plan. Okay, so we have just seen the importance of personal standards in changing our perception and feeling taking it as a challenge. When we actually commit to take action to do some things rather than feel trapped by events and stress. So let us now see what all affect the personal standards. Diligent. Diligent is related to academic performance. Diligence is about discipline, concentration, conformity, and spirituality. So you can elevate yourself by focusing on diligence. We say he is a diligent man. That means he is focused, he does discipline, he has concentration, and he conforms to various aspects. Okay. Next is hardworking. Hardworking, very simple. It says that whatever you do with all your best, with all your might. Faithful. Faithful means you are faithful towards yourself, towards your organization. Accountability. You are willing to be accountable for your own actions, actions of your crew. You will not shirk, you will not let somebody else suffer because of your mistake or let somebody else be accountable for your actions. you are willing to accept the accountability for your own self. Then obedience. You will obey the command. You will be obedient to the rules, regulations set up by the organization. Non-judgmental. That if you've been given a work, you would not try to judge and not do it, but you would do the work and leave the superior wisdom to your bosses who have given this work to you. Considerate. You should be considerate to your fellow beings, treat them as a human being, treat them as a friend, but also not following your other principles of standards. These principles are essential at the workplace. Brotherhood. Consider other people as your brother. Consider them the love and affection of being together. These are some of the standards which you should try to absorb in your life. Yeah, but also very important is attitude. Attitude means the way you perceive things, the way you want to perform. Earnestness. But while you may have personal standards, but very important to have earnestness. That is you are earnest towards the work, your organization. Sense of ownership. Whenever a work is given to you, you like to own the work. When you like to own the work means you want to feel that this work belongs to you. If somebody else is not completing, if somebody else is absent today, I will do his work. But the work must be complete. Mutual empathy. Mutual empathy stands for transforming other people and bringing out their goodness. So, while you may have good communication, you may be well dressed, but if your personal standards are not perceived to be above the board, you will always suffer, and your chances of further promotion in life will be limited. With this, we end the importance of being acceptable. Thank you. We'll see you with the next capsule. Good day.